Hi there. Today we'll watch a short conversation between two new friends, Ollie and John. Let's see how they meet.
Hi,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is John. What about you?
I'm Allie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Cairo.
Oh, Cairo is a beautiful city.
Thank you. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. I want to visit Egypt one day.
You're always welcome.
Ali says, Hi, a basic greeting. Then, what's your name? A common question when meeting someone. John replies, My name is John. What about you? Polite and friendly. They say, Nice to meet you, a great phrase to show respect. And finally, do you like traveling? A way to start deeper conversation. That was a simple hello, but it started a new friendship. See you in the next episode.